Well, it's a really exciting day here today in Wangaratta. We're opening the Wangaratta Station Precinct, but we're also celebrating the completion of Beveridge to Albury Tranche 1, which is an important step on our goal to getting double-stack trains through to parks by the end of 2027.
Inland Rail is an incredibly big and complex project, over 1,600 kilometres of rail track taking freight off our busy roads. 70% of our freight task we are estimating will come onto Inland Rail once complete.
If we look around us here today, we've got a much improved station precinct, we've got improved disability access for the station. We've also improved the connectivity between the Wangaratta Township and the station. We've delivered this milestone on time and on budget. This is a regional project going from Melbourne to Brisbane through inland towns in Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. It's really important to us to employ local workers on our construction sites. It's a really important legacy that we leave in country towns like Wangaratta. It's not just about getting freight trains through here and delivering an efficient freight system for Australia, but it's also about the broader benefits that Inland Rail brings to these communities.